5.1 billion bonds in 10 weeks. Binance have actually destroyed 5.1 billion coins of Solana Classic in 10 weeks. Wow. Remember last month they were able to burn over 1 billion. This month, as of 1st of July, they were able to burn 2.6. These two periods alone bringing the total to about 3.6. But then you also go back to May, you discover that Binance, the total amount of Solana Classic destroyed by Binance alone is now amounting to 5.1 billion coins of Solana Classic LUNC. And I'm happy to see that Solana Classic have really burned this amount, and all this is coming from Binance Exchange. It's not easy. This is a lot of money. Binance are the number one. They have been showing great support for Solana Classic. Now in 10 weeks, 1 month, 2 weeks, 5.1 billion. If you are not to divide this by monthly, it should be an average of 500 million coins being destroyed by Binance on a monthly basis. So it simply means that Binance may be burning almost 150 million coins daily. Okay, yes, almost that's not 150. It should be about almost 12 million to 15 million coins daily. That's the average Binance have been burning, between 12 to 15 or 20 million coins. Binance have been burning almost on a daily basis, and I think it's amazing to see just a single exchange burning such amount of coins. So that's why if you can get other exchange, imagine that Coinbase start burning like Binance. Imagine some top exchange start burning half of what Binance is burning, or 25% of one fourth of what Binance is burning. I believe we can start recording over 10 to 15 billion bonds in just 1 month, and with such level, Solana Classic will hit over 3,000% in the next 3 or 4 months. Believe me, because right now with a little change, Solana Classic has been recording huge burning of coins. Okay, so I still believe in crypto industry these days is not really like the same. So many people have actually pulled out of crypto industry. Crypto industry is not flowing. Okay, it's not leading the news line like before. Okay, so many things have happened. A lot of people have actually pulled out. So even on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, TikTok, you can see so many crypto content creators have all switched to other types of content, because the views coming for crypto industry is no longer the same like before. That shows you that a lot of people have already lost interest in crypto industry. But without that, crypto industry will keep on rising, will keep on increasing every day. Once again, thank you for stopping by.